Hi and welcome back to the channel hardreset.info, and today I will tell you how to ask Grok on X. So first of all, let's open X on my phone, and at the bottom navigation bar you should see a Grok icon that looks like this, and if you tap it you will enter the Grok chat interface, where you can basically ask him to create image, to edit image. You can try voice mode, or simply in this field you can type your question or request. So let's ask him something. How are you, for example? And if you send it, Grok will respond in the chat format, as you can see on my screen. Also, if you go to homepage and open some kind of post, and in the top right you should see Grok icon, and if you tap it, Grok will give you summary on this post. So wait a second until it's loading. So as you can see, this is the summary on this post. So this is highly useful for you if you are, let's say, out of context and you need to get some things explained, you need to get some clarity. This is perfect option for you. So yeah, here's the summary, and this is like really cool feature. Yeah, so that's basically how you can ask Grok on X. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.